Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with an unboxing from the ring boxes. I didn't even know that this was coming. All I had received was a notification that it said that it was like charged to my account, but there was nothing saying that it was on its way. So I was very surprised yesterday when I got the notification that I had a package to pick up. But this is what it looks like, the ring boxes. And this is a bridal subscription box. So when you open it up, it says, congratulations, you're engaged inside. It's got a little booklet with information. And then underneath that, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna open it up. This is my first time seeing everything. The first thing that I see is this ball cap. It's black and it says Mrs. with white embroidery. Very cute. I'll go ahead and put this on. It does have an adjustable little strap back here. I received one of these last month and I think it was from the same box subscription, but it was gray. So interesting. I also have this scrunchie. It is one of those rabbit ear scrunchies and it says bride on it. And it's just white. That's cute. I have a magnetic photo frame. Oh, this is cool. And it says we're engaged and then you just put a photo of you and your fiance in there. That's cute. I like that. I have these wedding milestone collection set of 25. I believe these are things that like you can like set up. I'm gonna take the hat off. That you can set up like when you get your dress or like when you get your rings, your wedding bands. 25 seems like a lot. Is there that many milestones in getting married? So wedding milestones. We're engaged. The date is set. The venue is booked. Save the dates have been sent. Photographer has been booked. I said yes to the dress. Today we booked our honeymoon. Today we picked our rings. The cake is tasted and ordered. Invitations have been sent. Hair and makeup trials are today. Today is our menu tasting. Today's my bridal shower. 1 year to go, 6 months to go, 3 months to go, 1 month to go, 1 week countdown. Tomorrow we say I do. We're getting married today. I do. Me too. Happily ever after. Let the honeymoon begin. First anniversary. So honestly, I'm not sure how I would utilize these. I know I've seen people like put them on like a table, like with the rings, for example, with the wedding bands, and use this card to say, hey, we got our wedding bands. But I honestly don't know how I would use these. But I guess it's cool. Next I have this white box, and inside is a tumbler. This is pretty. It is a tumbler. It's really thick and heavy duty feeling, and it just says Mrs. on it. That's cute. I like that. Very cool. And then the last thing I have is this tote bag. It's a gray tote bag. It says this is my wedding planning tote, and it just has these long straps on it. So that is everything that I received in this month's The Ring box. I will be honest and say that this is not my favorite. I do really like the travel mug. I think it's really cute. The hat is cute. I really like the photo frame, as simple and basic as it is. And then the scrunchie, of course, is very cute also. But I mean, I don't think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these. And the fact that I already have a hat that I'm pretty sure came from them and not Miss to Mrs. Back to back, I'm kind of confused on that. But overall, you know, it was an okay box. Hopefully I will enjoy next month's better. But for now, this is what I have. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I will talk to you very, very soon. Bye, guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.